I have a new to me, AI editing software service. I don't know what to call them, but I got something new for you, and this one's different. Let me introduce you to Neurapix, and you may have seen me talk about, quite frankly, a plethora of AI editing services or softwares, and this one is a little bit different. So I'm excited to talk to you about the differences of this one as opposed to some of the others out there. Neurapix helps you transform your workflow instantly with AI editing that you can trust. You've probably heard about a lot of programs just like that, but here are some of the differences. Neurapix is a Lightroom plugin. You do not have to go into another program. You can just use it inside Lightroom where you're already familiar with all of the tools. Additionally, you only need 500 example photos to get started with the AI learning how you edit your photography. That's pretty great because a lot of the other AI software programs, services, they are like 2,000 or 3,000 images. So that's a pretty big difference, only having to have 500 photos in a Lightroom catalog so that they can start reading and learning your editing style. But the most interesting, in my opinion, difference between Neurapix and some of the other AI editing softwares is the instant. Neurapix Instant. This allows you, instead of uploading and downloading information to AI servers elsewhere, it allows you to do it right there on your computer. And I know what you're thinking, isn't this going to bog down my computer? Well, no, the answer is actually no. It does a fantastic job at using AI to edit right there in Lightroom for you. It's like having an assistant do it in front of your face. In about 20 to 30 seconds, the first few photos are already edited and you can start your little tweaks just as you would with any editing that you're doing. It's faster because you get to start that right away, and then as it's processing the rest of the photos in your Lightroom catalog, it seamlessly does it while you're working on the photos that it's already edited. It is so fast, that's why they're calling it instant. Another perk of having that Neurapix Instant is that you're not sending photos to AI servers elsewhere. Privacy is a big concern these days, especially with AI and face recognition, so some of your clients might not want you using AI servers outside of your studio. This allows you to keep everything on site in studio and still use all of the powerful tools that AI offers. So this is your personal editing style customized, but they do have 3 already put together presets that you can start with and then tweak as you go. Even with your own editing style, you're able to really easily tweak that AI preset according to how you tweak your photos as you're getting the information back and as you're getting the edits back from Neurapix. It's going to be editing pretty much everything on that Lightroom slider panel on the right in the develop module. It's a pretty exciting time to be in the world of photography, having computers do a lot of the things that a lot of us photographers don't want to do. I don't want to edit. I'll say it, I don't want to edit. Maybe some of my favorites, but when it comes to 1,000 dancing photos of drunk people, no thank you. AI can handle that one for me. Another difference between Neurapix and many of the other programs is you have 2 different options. You can do the pay per credit thing if you want to, or you can have unlimited and just pay a subscription. That's pretty fantastic, having an unlimited AI resource and now not paying per picture, but paying a subscription service. And you can get started right now. You get 7 days free by clicking on the link below. And I'm curious what you guys think of this one. I think out of all of the different AI programs that I've been looking at and evaluating recently, it's been like a really big research thing for me. This is one that is very different in a lot of ways from the other ones that I've seen. Let me walk you through the entire workflow of Neurapix. First, you're going to import all of your photos into Lightroom, and you're going to select an event of about 500 images to train AI. Then you'll upload those via Neurapix Lightroom plugin, and AI is going to train itself and create your own smart preset. That takes about 2 hours, then it's going to be available to you in Lightroom. From that point, you're going to select the photos that you want to edit, maybe on your next job, and upload those via the Neurapix Lightroom plugin, or use Neurapix Instant, depending on what you would prefer. Take those presets and have them applied to your photos in Lightroom, tweak as you would, and then re-update your preset with Neurapix so that it learns the things that you tweaked and won't make those artistic AI choices next time. Let me know what you think of this one. Is this AI program different than all the rest I've been talking about? Do you think you'll give this a try? Let me know in the comments, and then of course, if you would like a deep philosophical discussion about AI, don't talk to me. Just watch Terminator. Bye.